Start by drawing a big circle. And we're going to do 2 triangles on each side for the ears. Another one on the inside, smaller. Circle, and then another circle on the other side. Then a small circle inside those circles for the eyes. A upside down small triangle. Then at the bottom of that, make the letter J. And right next to it, do a backwards J. Then at the bottom of that circle of the head, we do a straight line down with a little kitty paw. And then on the other side, you're going to angle it out and curve around so it ends so we could connect the two. The back leg is going to be bent so it curves down with the other little paw. Then we're going to do the front of the other leg with the paw in the front. The back, you may curve a line for the tail any which way you'd like. You can add a little collar if you'd like. And little dots. After that, you can color the eyes in and add whiskers.